Hey everyone, is your total wireless phone not making or receiving calls? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through simple troubleshooting steps to fix the issue and get your phone working again. Let's dive in. What causes total wireless no service issues? SIM card issues, damaged or improperly seated, network availability problems, outages or maintenance, account related issues like unpaid bills or restrictions. Try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary glitches in the software that may affect connectivity. iOS restart. Press and hold either the volume button and the side button, iPhone X and later, or the top button iPhone 8 or earlier, until the power off slider appears, then drag the slider to turn off the device. After the device turn off, press and hold the side button iPhone X and later or the top button iPhone 8 or earlier until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Android restart, press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the power menu appears, then tap restart or reboot. If the phone is unresponsive, press and hold the power button for 10 to 20 seconds to force a restart. Check SIM card. The SIM may be improperly seated, damaged, or inactive, preventing your device from connecting to the mobile network. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Power off your device. Repeat the process of ejecting the SIM tray using the SIM eject tool or a paper clip. Remove the existing SIM card from the tray. Place the SIM card into the tray, ensuring the notch is aligned properly. Fully inserted the tray back into the device until it clicks securely. Refresh network settings. Turning on or off airplane mode will search and connect with the strong signal. For iOS, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. For Android, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on or off. Check coverage. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate network coverage. Sometimes the issue arises simply because you are out of range of the network. Go to Total Wireless Coverage Map page, scroll down and enter your location or address. Press enter to check the coverage. Check usage. If your balance is expired, your service will be cancelled automatically after certain period of time. Ensure you have enough fund in your account. Method 1, using text message. Open message app, text usage to 611611. You will get the usage details to your phone. Method 2, using website or app. Log into Total Wireless account using app or a website. Go to dashboard and click on My Plan section where you can see the usage. Reset network setting. Resetting network setting will refresh and boost the network connection in source phone and turn on hotspot. Then try connecting with the client device. For Android, go to settings, then system, then go to advanced. Reset options, tap on reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Confirm the reset. On iOS, go to settings, then general, then go to reset, tap reset network settings, enter your passcode if prompted. Fix 7, check for blocked numbers. If you have an issue with a specific number, they might have blocked your number. Else, the number you are trying to call is not blocked on your phone. Try calling with alternative number and make sure the issue is not number specific.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.